The whole forex market is based on opinions. If you think about the global aspect of it, we have people that's buying and selling the market. So you're actually in fact trading the opinions of guys with more money than us. If you can figure out what they're thinking in the sense of buying, what they're thinking in the sense of selling, and try and capitalize from that specific moves, that is obviously where you understand where price is going up or down. So in the sense of support resistance, which is probably one of the oldest tools that is available. Supporting the market to go up, your buyers, resisting the market to go down, which is your sellers in the market. That's an old concept tool, but it's still applicable and really good tool to use. Obviously, it's different ways to use it in today's day and age. But once again, the key concept was said that if resistance is broken, resistance becomes support, and that's not always true. A lot of traders are looking for resistance and support, and once resistance is broken, they're trying to buy from that specific level, which isn't how the market always runs. There is a point in time where resistance does become support, but not all the time. So in the market, you get buying levels and selling levels, and let me show you guys how to identify that levels. Another key aspect is that you get a buying trend and a selling trend. So in a buying trend, you have certain buying levels. In a selling trend, you have certain selling levels. And a lot of times the market is in a buying trend and people are trying to buy from selling levels and sell from buying levels. So it's always important to look at when price bought from point X to point Z, where did the buyers get in every single time based on that specific trend. So look at your trend and see how the continuation levels played out in that specific trend and how you could capitalize from that continuation levels. So let's quickly look at gold. Gold is a really good example of selling and buying pressure. I mean, gold is based on supply and demand, just like any other market. So where's the buyers and where's the sellers at? If we look at that level, for example, we can see this clear buying pressure. If you look to the left hand side, when price bought from that level, we went up, we retested that level and continued. The key word is continued from that specific level. So especially if we're trading the strategy that I trade every single day between 12 and 3, you'll look, for example, for price to buy from that specific level. Okay, so what a lot of traders will be doing wrong is they're going to look at that level and they're most probably going to take a buy position from that specific level. That is where price just dips against the traders to go to the actual buying level and then continue to the top side. So that's a buying level, that's a continuation level. Then if we look to the left hand side, we had that selling pressure lining up there as well. If you're looking for a sell position, okay, you can't be looking for a buy from that level because that was a continuation level. Same thing when you're looking at a selling trend. When price was selling to a downside, where did the market sell from? Price sold from there in that specific level, and then price continues from that specific level over there. So selling level, continuation level. If you look at that, for example, there's a buying pressure in that specific range as well. So if we take it back, there's our key buying level. In this specific trend, when price was selling, price wasn't selling from there. Price was selling from there. We just marked that off previously. So this is also seen as a pullback level. And the reason for that is price was in a low, low, lower high. So that was a continuation level on the selling pressure. Lower, low, lower high. Continuation on the selling pressure. Then we had that key buying level lining up over there as well. So what a lot of traders will be doing is trying to sell from that level, get knocked out, and then price goes to the actual selling level and then sells from that specific level over there. So now we're dropping to a downside, but we're still in a buying trend. Okay, so if we're still in a buying trend and we're pulling back, where does the market buy from that specific level? So a lot of traders will be using that level, which is applicable, but at the current market price, that's a continuation level. High, low, continues to the top side. The buying level remains there at the bottom because that's the key buying level and that's obviously the key selling level. So a lot of traders will obviously say resistance becomes support. They will take a buy position there, then price dips a little bit lower. Then they will be trying to take a buy position from over there. Then price moves to the actual buying level. Price pushes up, then we retest. Now we can look at the continuation level because we're looking for price to continue. Now we can look at the continuation level. Now we can look at the continuation level. So we have all that continuation levels lining up in that specific range for us to continue to the top side. And obviously based on the previous video, hand in hand with that and the 38% fib, which is the continuation level, we will have the refined level to the top side. Then price pushes to the top side. As we push to the top side, that's our next available selling area over there. Okay, key selling area. But once again, where's the actual selling level? There's the actual selling level. That was not a selling level, that was a pullback level. Price formed a higher high, pulled back to create a higher low. So that was a pullback level. Okay, price pulled back from that specific level, and that's why the market still goes to the top side. So where price is pushing into that level, we have a lot of traders shorting the market, and then we have a similar setup. We are creating a continuation level. So there's buying pressure, there's buying pressure. So we are creating that continuation level, which then forms that key area of support over there. Then price continues to the top side. So over there, price dips into that level, continues to the top side. So in this case, where there's no actual buying levels close by, you'll obviously be looking back into that specific level. So we are looking for gold once again to come back, not to that level, that was a continuation level. A lot of traders going into Monday, they're going to mark off that key weekly high and that key weekly low. Price is going to go into that level, most probably push a little bit up, drop into that level, and then have a buy. So in that case, they see a break of structure, but price is actually just moving to the key buying level that we already had in play. So it's always important to understand where's market buying from and where's market selling from. Quickly look at the smaller time frames as well. If you look at a smaller time frame trade, over there price just went straight up. So over there as well, we had buying pressure there. If that area is broken, we have another continuation level from there. So that means that you can jump in on that specific level. And if you look at everything lining up again, you have your trend line breakout, you have everything. So there's no retest in this situation, but that was a key buying level. Then if you look to your left hand side, we have this key buying level formed, but we also have that buying pressure over there to the left hand side. And you're always trying to continue from that specific level. So you need to understand, okay, are you in a buying and a selling trend? Are you trading from a buying level or a selling level? Are you trading from a buying continuation level or a selling continuation level? Same thing over here. We have a key buying level over there. A lot of traders will be seeing that continuation level. Price buys from there, continues from there. Price buys from there, continues from there, continues from there, until we actually reach a key pullback level. So now price is pulling back. And the same thing when we're pulling back, we need to understand where's the price selling from. Okay, so that over there is not a selling level. That is a pullback level. Higher high, pulling back to a higher low. I know it sounds complicating to you guys, but just watch this segment over and over until it becomes more natural for you to understand what we're actually looking at. Alright guys, once again, thank you for watching another video, and thank you for all the support and the love. I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys on the next one.